flying right by boots. Bulletus. So bright. Bright as heck. It's actually flying north. Oh, this is a good one. He's flying low too. Yeah, slow down and stop, would you? That's the Big Dipper right there. He's flying by. Man, that's a good one. That's too low to be Starlink, people. And he's staying way too bright. Oh, this is interesting. There's a plane right there. See? You know he sees that thing. You know he can see it. So there's the difference between a plane and an UFO. Plane's probably 5,000 feet. The UFO is probably 7 or 8, maybe 9. Boy, yeah, he doesn't even care, this guy. He's keeping the lights on today. Yeah, he's starting to fade out now. He's gonna go dark. Get closer to St. Louis City. And they go dark. But you can still kind of see him right there. Yeah, he gone. Well, that was great, considering we had a plane too.